How to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll note that Amazon prohibits directly transferring gift card balances between accounts. However, here is the workaround. First, log into your Amazon account on a desktop. At the top menu, click on Customer Service. And then once you land on this section, you need to locate the option of Payment Charges or Gift Card, which is at right corner of your screen. After that, under Pick what you need help with, you need to choose Problem with the gift card. And now you need to select Apply to Wrong Account. And then a notice will appear stating transfers are not allowed. Also, you need to click I need more help to proceed. Once you reach on this page, you'll have two options. That is probably request call and chat with us. In order to start a tech chat with the support team, you can explain your issue clearly. While this process may take some time, the customer service team can assist in resolving the issue and transferring the balance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and show your support. See you next time, and thank you for watching.